Hi! In front of me is TCL 306 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Start by going into settings and choosing Bluetooth. Now tap on the switcher over here to activate it and wait for available devices to show up after clicking on Pair New Device. Then choose the one that you wish to connect to, wait a bit for the pop-up and select Pair in it. Then you need to wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but if you wish to disconnect them, you can always do that by choosing the secure icon next to the device and tapping on Forget, then confirming your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!